Good morning. This is an e-learning session on memory checking tools. See, on screen there are many memory checking tools which are designed by third-party designers, and among them we see one thing called Valgrind. We'll be seeing in brief about what is Valgrind. Valgrind is a framework which is used to check the dynamic memory which we create in C language and other languages also. These tools can automatically detect memory management, threading bugs, and profiling programs in detail. This is not a default tool. We need to install it with an command apt-get install valgrind. We'll see a program on creating dynamic memory using mllog in C language. You can see the program. The program specifies there is a 10 bytes memory created using mllog, which is taken input from the user as a string and it is freed out. So program when we run this program, I'll just enter some name here, enter string. So it is just showing you the output. It's not showing whether the memory created or anything else. To do that, we go for a command valgrind. After installation of valgrind, you can use this command with options like leak check and tool. These are the options, or these are the tools which are inbuilt. One of the tool which is inbuilt with valgrind is memcheck. I'm using that tool and I'm checking the memory. So when I run the same program again with using the command valgrind, I'll be getting a memory error detector which will ask me the input again. So when I enter the input, you can see it is just specifying that the heap memory has been allocated with some memory. One allocation have been done and one free have been done. 10 bytes have been allocated and all heap blocks are freed, so no leaks are possible. So this is the summary which is explained. Let me take the same program once again, and now I'll not do this free. That means I'm violating memory. Let me check by running it generally. If I run it generally, it's not telling me any memory violation. But if I go for my profiler valgrind with the tool memcheck, it will ask me again input. When I give the input, you can observe at the time of exit of a heap summary, there is a 10 bytes in one block which is not freed. You can see one allocation, 0 frees, and 10 bytes allocated but not freed. And there was an error showing 10 bytes in one block are definitely lost. So one record of loss has been displayed by the input address, that is the main program. And leak summary specifies 10 bytes in one block has been lost. So in this way you can check and you can profile your program using valgrind, and you can find how much of memory has been properly allocated, how much of memory has been used.